Hi guys, it's Corrine. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I am doing a flip through of a baby album that I just completed for a lady who is ordering this for a baby shower. The album itself is 9 by 7 3/4 and the spine is about 5 1/4. And I'm using Echo Park's Sweet Baby Girl collection. I will link to the paper collection that I used down in the description box. I did use one or two papers from a different collection. Like this one here is from Felicity Jane. I believe it's the Reagan collection. It went well with the gray and pink theme of it. On the front here I have a scallop heart backed by chipboard and a couple pieces of cardstock, so it gives it some dimension. I have the baby's name on here and this heart, crown bow with a pearl in the center. I have this gorgeous trim. I used quite a bit of it from Hobby Lobby. And the base of the album is white, which goes very well with the collection. I have some tulle on the side for a closure with white polka dots. I love that. It's got some glitter to it. So this is a baby's first year album. If you follow my channel, you know I love doing these albums. This follows the baby's first year through life. So it gives a spot for every single month for the first year. So it's an easy way for the mom to document the baby's first year with very little work on her part. So here it says, "Welcome home," in the baby's name, Harley Simone. Gorgeous name. I have a waterfall bracket style edge that the mom can add 2x2 photos, 3x3, 4x4. It says "Born to Sparkle." This I got from the online Silhouette America online store, rather. Here's some trim that I had gotten from Wild Orchid Crafts. I have that same scallop die with some chipboard behind it and some flat back pearls. So again, the mom can add lots of photos to the pocket. Here I have "Welcome Little One" backed on the gray cardstock, "Bringing You Home." Again, mom can add journaling to all the back of these or photos. This here I cut from my Silhouette Cameo and backed it. And then every page will have a milestone card. So this one's for the baby's birth. It says "Welcome," again, Harley Simone, and some information the mom can jot down. She can write more on the back or add a photo on the back. And these are all tabbed pockets, so it's going to allow for more photos to fit in these pockets. Each one is a side pull-out that I designed with a bracket edge on my Silhouette Cameo. I won't pull all of these out, but they all have pattern paper. The mom can add a large photo. If she wanted to add a piece of white cardstock and do some journaling instead, she could do that. This one here says "Welcome." Then we have month 1. So here is going to be for a 4x6 photo. It's left open so the mom can slip the photo right on here. I have this bow with a silver bling center, this journaling card that says "Little Miracle," and then month 1 along with the milestone card. Again, mom can either write or add photos. She can add a photo behind this as well. This adorable baby bottle, and the baby bottle I cut from the Silhouette Cameo. This is from the paper collection, and then I have this little 3D yellow bow. So every page is going to have a spot for the photo. So this is for month 2. Again, this is from the paper collection. I did add the baby's name. Usually when working with a paper collection, what I like to do is buy the physical paper pack and then also the digital, because I can do things like this. I can add the baby's name. I can size it down because this was a 3x4, I believe. So I sized it down small enough to use on the page. Here is the 2-month. Mom can add a photo. The 2-month photo here, another little bow in this beautiful green. I'm kind of a big deal. This is backed on lightweight chipboard, so it has a little bit of dimension to it. Another one of those bows in gray. I love this color combination. Here's a 4x6 Sweet Baby Girl. The mom can add a photo to that. Here's the milestone card for 2 months. I designed these in my Silhouette Cameo as well. And then some journaling cards from the paper collection. Here's for month 2, and on the back of that. And then here we have a large bee cut from my Silhouette Cameo, a flat back heart that I got from Wild Orchid Crafts, 4x6 journaling card, and then this I had in my collection. This on the side here is for the 3-month photo. It's a 4x6, but it's also a pocket. So I have a little tag here, more photos, a journaling card, and some white satin ribbon. And then this here is just a flip up. The mom can if she wanted to add a 2x2 photo or some journaling. Looks cute, just kind of tucked in here. Here's for month 3. On the side here I have this adorable little lamb cut from the Silhouette Cameo, added a bow, and then the journaling cards. Here's the 4x6 photo. Again for the 4x6 photo. On this side I designed this pocket. This sentiment is from the Silhouette online store. It says, "Be your own kind of amazing." Added this bling bow up here. Another large journaling card. Super cute collection. And on this side, another one of those scalloped hearts, little bow with a flat back pearl. And then look at this cute little adorable kitten. I added a bow to her hair. Again, this is from the online Silhouette store. And those just tuck in here. This side, this is from the digital collection that I made larger to be able to hold the journaling cards. Itty Bitty Blessing, and then this cute bow here. And on this side I added some gray cardstock with some of this Hobby Lobby trim, flat back pearl trim with a heart. Those are from Wild Orchid Crafts. The mom can put the photo right behind here. And then these journaling cards. And then I have a side bracket pocket with some flat back white pearl, enamel dots. The journaling cards. Here I made a horizontal pocket, or a vertical pocket rather, with some Wild Orchid Craft flowers. 4x6, 8 months, and then another one of these little journaling cards. On this side, I cut this from the online Silhouette store, doubled it so it's thicker cardstock. The mom can place her photo here, some more of the Wild Orchid Craft flowers. On the side here, I made a side pocket with the baby's name. Beautiful name, like I mentioned. Here's the journaling card, and then I love this little one as well. I have some sweet trim here with flower back pearl trim, and then another one of those bling. These are from Wild Orchid Crafts also. Here I have Your Amazing. That's from the online Silhouette store. I designed this pocket and added another bow. And then this is just for more photos. Four by 6 photo. And then again, another cut from the online Silhouette store. Super cute. This pocket here, it's maybe hard to see on camera, but there's a scalloped edge. I have some gray cardstock with one of those bows, flat back pearl, and again, a journaling card that I sized down to fit the pocket. 4x6. There you go. You can probably see it a little bit better now. And I love this color combination. And then lastly, on this page for the baby's first birthday, I designed a large first with the baby's name in it, a bow here, the journaling card, and then I added another card that says happy birthday to you, 1 year. And then here I have a beautiful waterfall. I won't undo all this, but a beautiful waterfall that the mom can add 4x6 photos. So she can add 13 photos just right here. And then also I did make a sweet little 3x3 card with an matching envelope that the mom can use to give with the gift. So I hope you enjoyed the flip through of this album. I'll link down the paper collection that I use. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Thanks so much for stopping by and have a great day.